This video I'm going to talk about box collide around the program.
1, 2, 1. Oops, that's dangerous.
So you could see that the animation of the cat was a bit overlapped with other gaming objects. One way of solving it is to click the player and then go down to see box collider 2D. Then we hit edit collider, and now we can see one box. So only within the range of the box the player cannot get overlapped. We can slightly increase it a bit and then to cover the majority of the body of the cat, right? And now we can run the program. Yeah.
1, 1, 2.
Okay, now it works quite well. And another approach is that instead of modify our collider box, we can modify the pixel of our player animation. So let's first find the directory of the animation. I mean the idle and the running animation of the cat. And then we can hold shift and then press this to select all of the animation. And here is the pixel of the unit. We can increase the pixel and then apply. And now let's see. Okay, now it seems to be okay, but if I work
1, 2, 1.
still it has a problem. How to solve that is that we can just go to the running animation because it happens while it runs, right? So and then we first we remember the pixel of the idle animation, and then we can just copy. That was 46, and then apply. And now let's try again.
1, 2, 1. Oops, that's dangerous.
So this also works. And then the third way is we can change the size of the scale. If we want to change the size of the scale, even the box collider gets changed automatically. So we don't have to do anything else extra.
Oops, that's dangerous.
Yeah, that works also very well. Alright, so thanks so much for watching and see you in our next video.